So this is how to add more data to your Excel pivot table. I have my pivot table over here and it's powered by this data source over here. So let me show you two scenarios that you might encounter when you would want to add more data. The first scenario is where you want to add a new row over here. I'll copy this row and paste it over here. And now going back to the pivot table, when I click refresh, notice that I don't have the new city that I added over here. It's not present in my pivot table. So here's how to fix that. Clicking on a pivot table, going to pivot table analyze, select change data source. This is the table range that we have selected from sheet A1 to D52. So in this case, I just need to update this to be D53, and this will make sure that it will capture the new city that I've added. This was one way of doing it. The second way would be if you added a new column over here. And when I refresh the pivot table, I don't have anything over here. Similarly, if I open up the field list, I also don't have anything over here. I don't have the new column that I've added. So doing the same thing, going to change data source. This time we are expanding our data source, moving one column to the right. So I'm selecting E53 over here. Nothing really happens, but I get this new column over here. So now I'm able to drag it whatever I want. This way I've added new data to my pivot table. So this is how to do it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have further issues. And if you like more content like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.